Oh, good morning.
Morning.
I have some property up north, about 15 acres, wooded, with a little cabin. And when we purchased it, we did not get the mineral rights with that. It belonged to some previous owners or something like that. And I was reading somewhere that after a certain amount of time, if they don't try to do anything or keep their claim on that, somehow it could revert to us. And how do we go about doing that?
Well, that is true under some circumstances. And I'll bet you didn't know this, Justin, but I used to do oil and gas law down in Kansas because my family was in oil and gas.
Really?
New surprises all the time.
I didn't know that.
All right, so you bought a piece of property with your husband. You did not purchase the mineral rights, and nobody's ever done anything with them. But we don't really know that because it could be a part of some sort of underground pool that they are drawing gas or oil from. But the bigger issue is whether or not they also reserved the surface rights. So in other words, if you have to get on somebody's property to access your mineral rights, you may have an easement, but they may not have purchased that within that package. So you want to get to a real estate lawyer to review everything that is there. My guess is what you're going to find is that those were reserved and now in the hands of some big gas company or some big oil company, and they're drawing the minerals out right now as we speak, and we don't even know it because they're going from another piece of property under your ground. Do you understand?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so that's what I would recommend. If you want to call Justin, give him a call at the office during the regular business hours, and he'll answer more questions for you. He was going to want to take a look at some documentation first, but